an hour, so you can get lost. For whatever reason, we do well in Demetria Benson's court, so you need to